Now that we've covered output in our previous video, also known as printing, I'm going to show you how to do input, which is a little bit more involved than output. So to get an input, we use the keywords raw_input in Python 2.7. And just like printing, we use our parentheses and our quotes for the inside. And whatever we type here will also be printed out. So I'm going to ask a question because that's the first sort of input I'm going to show you. So first question will be, what is your name? And then if I run this, I'll show you what happens. It prints out, hello world, what is your name? And then the special thing it does is it waits for me to type something. My name, in case you didn't get it before, is Jordan. Well, that's not very exciting because nothing happened. I'm going to see if we can take it to the next level. To store the input that we get back, you have to create your first variable. And to do that, you go to the beginning of the line where you typed raw input and type a variable name. And in our case, that will be name. And then in between name and raw input, you have to put an equals sign. All right, and now that we have the variable, we can use print statements to print that out. I'll run this before breaking down the statement into more detail. So now it says, hello world, what is your name? And I am Jordan again, and it prints out Jordan. But that doesn't really sound like it's having a conversation with me yet. We can combine variables and strings together by just putting them on the same line in this print statement. So I'll say hello plus name. Again, you have to wrap hello in quotes and then put a plus sign and connect that to name. Hello world, what is your name? Jordan is my name. Hello Jordan. Oh no, I have poorly formatted code. It just wrapped my Jordan and hello into the same line with no space in between. To fix that, you go into the end of the word hello and add a space, like so. Now, I would encourage you to, well, first copy this so you have some examples of how to do things, but then use your creativity to build anything you want or follow along with our challenge problems that will give you examples of things to do. Like you can create knock-knock jokes, you can create, at this point you can create Mad Libs, if you know what those are. Really, you already know enough to make a pretty interesting program. So, congratulations.